Moose, y'all tippy tappies. Like, I know you're the star of the video, but y'all tippy tappies. Okay, off to a good start. Bend at the knees. Oh god, you're so fat, kind of. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren, and today I have a super special guest who has kindly agreed to participate in today's Halloween video. I know it's the last weekend before Halloween, and a lot of you guys have probably actually celebrated last night. Oh my god, I'm out of breath because you're kind of fat, Moose, but I love you. Oh. So today we're gonna be trying on costumes together, and we're gonna be rating my costume and Moose's costume out of 5 muses. 5 being the best and no muses being the worst, because who wants no muses? That sounds like the worst. Okay, Moose, I really gotta put you down. Okay. And the thing about dog costumes and ordering them online is that a large to one company is like for a large Chihuahua, and then a large for another company is for like a golden retriever. So we have a whole goodie bag of costumes that are probably not gonna fit either of us, but that can be part of the Mia's rating system, and let's get into it. Costume number 1 is a little combo of Ash Ketchum. I feel like I want it to be Ash instead of
Misty?
Misty, not Mindy. Who's Mindy? I was a Pokemon diehard, so we're Ash Ketchum, and I feel like this is actually like a decent costume. I'm pretty sure it's a kid's large, and I'm expecting it to be maybe a little smaller. But we have a hat, and we got gloves, and we're about to Ash Ketchum. Transformation. Am I Ash now?
Whoa.
Yeah. Ash, is that you? Okay, and then there's these little green gloves, and they really look like they're inside out, but oh, that's good. Quality costumes. Okay, so maybe the gloves are not so great, but honestly, the rest of it is not bad. Out of 5 muses, I would rate my costume maybe like 3.5 muses. Okay, Moose, what do you think? Are you ready to be Pikachu? Are you ready to be a Pikachu? Pikachu! Moose is like kind of a Pokemon. Like the noises he makes are like so Pokemon-y. Here's the Pikachu costume. It's super cute, but who dis? Pikachu definitely does not have black stripes on his back. Does he? I feel like they're like, but not like that.
No, you're right.
They're like patches kind of. Imposter Pikachu, we see you. Also, this is a large. This is for a large Chihuahua, maybe like Zoe the Frenchie, Tiff's dog. So this might be a draping situation. So this gets no muses for sizing. 0 muses. And a Pikachu. Oh yeah, there's absolutely no chance. Maybe we can get one leg on, one paw. Oh yeah, that's it. No, now it doesn't even sit properly. No muses. No, okay, no, and it's not a toy. But as like a Pikachu poncho, not bad. Like, you know when kids have those little bath towels that have a hood on them? This Pikachu sucks. It's like, these are floppy and weird. They have no structure. 0 muses. 3.5 muses, 0 muses.
He's like, what the heck?
Pikachu, I choose you. And you're so heavy. You're so heavy. Okay, next costume. Okay, next up we have a lioness. This tail is extremely long, and I feel like if I were to go anywhere in public, people would probably be touching my tail a lot. And I feel like Moose is also really interested in the tail. Okay. Moose, you're gonna get your own lion tail in a sec. Ah! 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 Leave it. Leave my tail back. Give me. Thank you. Wait, guys, let me put the hood up. It's actually pretty cute.
Yeah.
Honestly, for like a $15 Amazon costume, not bad. I might get a few questions of like what I am, because I feel like it's a little ambiguous, like maybe not totally clear. But if I have a mini baby lion cub, then I feel like it's gonna be a lot more clear. Right, Mia? You wanna be a lion? You wanna be a lion? You wanna be a lion? We have a mini lion tail for the moose tail. And then also we have this like lion mane tube. Okay, hello. Okay, wow, someone's excited to be a lion. Okay, relax. You're gonna be a lion soon enough, okay? Ready? And lion. Oh my god, wait, this is actually really cute. Okay, except for don't chew it. No, no, yes. Wait, this is actually cute. Okay, wait, so you can tighten it up a little bit so that you don't chew it. Don't worry, Moose is gonna get like the most treats after this video. You can only have 2 ears. We gotta put this one back in. Does he look angry? He looks super angry. He's so mad. I really don't know if he's gonna let me do this. Nope. Okay, we'll just go for the mane. That's pretty good. I guess cubs don't have their mane yet, but like, we're a pride. Are we from the same family though? You're looking a little more red than I am. Moose, you look so good. Are you the most fierce lion in the whole entire world?
He's like Simba. He doesn't know what he wants to do yet.
One day you'll meet your Nala. Simba doesn't die, right? No.
No.
Okay, good. Just so everyone knows, we're only gonna have Moose in the costumes for literally 3 minutes for each one, so I promise. Moose, you're the cutest lion in the entire world. This one actually fits so good. Like, I know he's not gonna want to stay in it for actual Halloween, but Moose, you look amazing. I'm honestly gonna give this lion costume like 4 Miases. It's pretty good for 15 bucks. And then this is just the real winner here. This is a 5 Mias costume. Imagine we have the tail on here. We've got ears. You just look so fierce. Look at this mane. It's a good color match. We have no roots. You look like you got fresh color done. Moose does this thing where if you put any kind of clothing on him, he just freezes, which has been a really great asset for this video. And we are from Simba to Moose. Okay, so our next costume set is Lilo and Stitch, and you guys recognize this one from the DIY Halloween video I did. And I threw out my anklets and my bracelets, so I got the new one. So no Muse rating for this one because you've seen this one. I got a little bone to pick with Amazon, and who's this brand? Pause Road, because can we just kind of zoom in on this? This is a large, a freaking large, L for large. Are you sure? L for little, so little. So we have this very large Stitch costume that I think, again, is gonna be a poncho on Moose. And guys, I know you wanted Moose to be Stitch so bad in this DIY video, and so I really, really tried, but just Amazon was, this Stitch's face is a little scary. Is that what his face looks like? The back is great though. So the actual costume, 4 Miases, but size-wise, poop Miases. And Stitch. Oh, look at this little tail. Moose, you got 2 tails. Look how cute that is. They really need to work on their sizing. 0 Miases for size. But look how cute you are as a little Stitch. Moose, I'm pretty sure, is Stitch. Do you guys share DNA? Because Stitch is a little crazy. Mia's a little crazy. Kind of lines up, but you're the cutest little Stitch in the whole entire world. Even though this costume would never fit you. Okay, that's my hula bracelet, and that is your Stitch costume in your mouth. Love that. Love that for us. This thing is so stupid and little. Moose, we're gonna order you a real one. Okay. I know, I'm really upset about it too, Moose. We got one more costume, also is a large and is massive. So we'll go on, but just might be a little oversized. Oversized is in though, right? Right, Mias? Okay. This next one is the worst. I'm supposed to be Daphne from Scooby-Doo. They didn't include the little green neck piece, so I have a piece of felt taped around my neck right now because, you know, DIY life. And then this is just like a box. It looks so cute online. This doesn't look very cute. It looks real bad. 0 Miases. Actually, maybe like 1 Mias because it's like still color accurate, but it's not good. It's not good. Let's get it straight. Okay, so this is the mystery machine. Again, this is a large. We have some questionable sizing because this is the size of a golden retriever. This is literally the length of 2 mooses. Honestly, not a bad costume quality-wise and like major creativity points, but size-wise, man, like what is going on? And mystery machine. Oh my god, it's so big. Not a perfect fit, as you can see, but it's still kind of cute. I also feel like this is his ideal costume because it's not like super restrictive of movement. I mean, aside from having like a major extension happening back here. What a good boy. How mad do you think he looks like on a scale of 1 to 10?
Not as mad as the lion one.
Not as mad as the lion, yeah.
So maybe,
yeah,
maybe
so
like a 4.
I'm gonna give this 4 Muses, even though this well, you got some junk in the trunk. 4 Muses. You like it, Moose? You like it? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't a DIY, but I figured because it was kind of like a cusp weekend where a lot of you guys are celebrating yesterday, I wanted to still do a Halloween themed video, but something a little more fun. And obviously any video with Moose is just like better than a regular video. Let's be real now. Make sure you let me know in the comments down below what other kinds of DIYs you'd like to see for the coming months, because we're like in, oh my god, Christmas is coming soon. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing Halloween this week, and thank you so much to the Pretty Little Lore of the Week. Thank you so much for being part of the Pretty Little Lore family, and if you want to be the Pretty Little Lore of the Week Yo guys, I nailed it that time. Next week, make sure to just tweet me a photo of you holding any kind of LAURDIY supplies or products for a chance to be featured in next Sunday's video. Make sure to follow me on all my socials. There will be a giveaway happening, I'm pretty sure, when this goes live on Shop LaurDIY, so you can go ahead and check that out in the description box below. And I will see you guys on Wednesday for weekly vlogging again tonight for another Sunday. Ooh, ah. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.